In this video, we'll learn to work with coordinates. So I've got 2 points already, A and B. What we're going to have to do is make a parallelogram by adding another 2 points. So we could go in different directions. We could have the parallelogram going like this, or we could have it being extended this way. I'll go this way. Or I could go up or down as well. So that's all a possibility. So I'm just going to go to this point, so on the same line, and that means I'm going to have to check how many spaces I'm going this way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I will go up and stop here, level with B. So making this a C and this D, and this would make a parallelogram. If I have the same points now, A and B, and I need to make an isosceles triangle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at how many units across I'm going to get to B. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to go another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This would now make an isosceles triangle.